Everyone, it's Robin, R. Silent Crafts, and welcome to my studio, day number 12 of the Advent series, and this one's a box. It doesn't sound like a puzzle, but it could be a puzzle. Or it could be a box of gummy bears. That's a possibility. What do you think it is? Never know. Well, we will know when we open it, right? Oh my goodness. Your tape is always so strong. Look at this. My goodness. Or maybe I'm so weak. Well, that's always a possibility. If you were here last year, do you remember when I think one of the first things I opened was a box of Warhead candy? There's fabric too. Look at that. So this is what I opened this time for the Warheads. This has little gummy worms and a really pretty snowflake fabric. My mouth is watering before I even touch these. You know I have to open them, right? Let's see what my friend received first, and then we'll come back and open these up. Not so super secret Advent Christmas special with friends, day 12. Today, I want my friend to be glowing with a vitamin C skin cream with niacinamide, AHAs, and vitamin E. And I say that like I know what I'm talking about, but I've just, again, seen this on the different YouTube channels that say, hey, go ahead and get this. This is really good and at a great price. Plus 2 fun fabrics for my friend. We're double checking to read the ingredients to make sure there is no dairy in it, no milk products. Now I do have an allergy to soy, but because of the allergy shots, it's really helped me a lot. It was like a special side effect. I didn't know it was going to happen. It helped part of my soy issues. I can do soy lecithin. When they put the little additive at the bottom, I can't do like soy protein, soybean oil, and stuff like that. But when they do that little soy lecithin at the end, that as long as it's down at the bottom of the list, I'm pretty good with it. Oh my goodness. They're not very big, and you ever notice that the sour candies tend to be in the weirdest colors? They're not quite bright colors. So let's see. Do we do 1, 2, 3? There used to be a box that says when you put candies in your mouth, how many can you eat? Warhead's little worms, little in size, huge on flavor, and loaded with chewy cuteness. Dig into your sour little worms in 5 fruity flavors: lemon, orange, green apple, black cherry, and blue raspberry. I've always liked blue raspberry. So it doesn't say, try to eat as many as you can. There's no competition on these. I never pull on that little pull thing because I always end up ripping the package right off, and this has all of that sugary coating stuff in it. I don't know because there's 2 different colors. I guess one's blue raspberry and one's the green apple. So let's do 2 green apples. Put one on each side of my mouth and let's see what happens. It's a little disappointing. They're kind of like chewing on a rubber band, which won't stop me from eating them because I love gummies, but sour outside, sweet and chewy inside, wiggly all over. They're definitely wiggly when you're trying to chew them. It's almost like chewing old stale bubblegum that you just chew forever. But again, great flavors, but they're not sour at all. Go back and watch maybe the first video of last year's. Ooh, that Warhead candy got me. Thank you, my friend. They're delicious. Not sour at all, so nothing really exciting to report here. So if your kids or grandkids dare you to eat these, I can't say that they're all going to be like this. Maybe I got a bad package, but they're not that sour. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.